In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious polenta recipe. Welcome to Tasting Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of cornmeal, feta cheese, bacon, mozzarella cheese, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of butter. To 6 cups of boiling water, we're going to add in the salt and the cornmeal, and we're going to keep mixing until the cornmeal is completely cooked. We're going to let it simmer for about 20 minutes while mixing in between. Add in the butter and mix until completely melted. Remove from heat and let sit for 5 minutes. On a plate, we're going to layer the polenta, mozzarella cheese, feta cheese, and bacon. Our easy polenta recipe is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.